Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
If you're watching us from the lower Keys, a few showers in the morning, and they'll be quick and fast moving, so not a huge deal, no significant accumulation at all, and the rest of us staying on the dry side. The better rain chances don't come back until next week, but even then, 10-20% would be it. In fact, it's not until the first week of May that we really start looking at rain chances that are going to be actually above average for the date, and that's about a week before we get into our wet season here, so it won't be long. We have a few more weeks to get through some dry conditions, and then we'll be complaining about daily storms. Humidity still in check, not too bad, not too high, and as rain tracker goes into motion here, you'll see again those showers down towards the Keys. Otherwise pretty quiet for the rest of us. Miami-Dade and Broward looking at just a cloud or two for the afternoon, coming in on that east breeze, which by the way will keep us nice and cooler. Some areas across the southwestern part of Florida will be in the 90s for high temperatures, but because we have water temperatures in the upper 70s, we'll stay in the 80s right along the eastern part of the peninsula here. Staying with a warm and dry pattern until we get to next week, and then we'll introduce some isolated shower activity, but nothing too organized at all, really. So the accumulation won't help the drought conditions here. Not looking for any rain that would accumulate significantly. Rip current threat still out there. That'll be high for tomorrow. We'll see if the Weather Service brings it down to moderate. So it's still going to be an issue throughout the whole weekend. It's just tomorrow will likely be the higher threat compared to both weekend days. We are looking good. The speeds have come down as far as the winds, east 10 to 15, and so that gives us moderate chop conditions for the Atlantic waters and Florida Keys. So small craft advisory caution, but the small craft advisory alert overall has been dropped. So good news for boaters. Temps tomorrow afternoon back in the low to mid 80s. Rain chances, I only put that 10% there again for morning and for the lower Keys. Everybody else will stay dry. We'll stay dry on Sunday. No rain chances there, and then kind of eking back up towards a little bit more moisture. It's the same pattern though, nothing organized. There's a bit of a frontal boundary trying to come through, and that may enhance our rain chances only up to 20%, but it will drop temperatures a couple of degrees. May not be noticeable, but low 80s will be the rule for Wednesday heading into Thursday. No change in the overnight temperatures that will continue in the 70s. As far as the wind speeds, they will start increasing again through early next week, so we'll likely get back into some issues with boating and once again on the beaches with rip currents.